Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has accused the Congress of deception, claiming that the public seeks through their facade. He's alleged that Congress and its allies harbor Ramdroh or hatred towards Lord Ram in their DNA, pushing them towards oblivion. Yogi Adityanath has asserted that their actions lack substance, merely aiming to mislead the populace. And he's also stated that the public is aware of the Congress's true intentions, suggesting dwindling support base due to their duplicity. The statement, of course, comes after Congress leader Radhika Khera has resigned. Let's in fact listen in to what Yogi Adityanath has to say.
जो जितना प्रखर राष्ट्र भक्त होगा उतना ही प्रखर राम भक्त होगा, और जो जितना राम विरोधी होगा उतना वह राष्ट्र विरोधी होगा। कांग्रेस का यह आचरण जो उसके द्वारा लगातार राम भक्तों का अपमान करके मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु श्री राम के बारे में इससे पहले भी कांग्रेस ने जिस प्रकार की टिप्पणियां की थी, उन सभी टिप्पणियों को ध्यान में रख करके अगर हम देखें तो उसका यह आचरण दिखाता है कि यह वास्तव में न केवल राम भक्तों का अपमान कर रहे हैं बल्कि हमारे सनातन राष्ट्र का भी अपमान कर रहे हैं। और कांग्रेस ने कभी कोई ऐसा अवसर नहीं छोड़ा, कांग्रेस हो या समाजवादी पार्टी, जब उन्होंने देश के अंदर या दुनिया के अंदर भारत को अपमानित न कराया हो, भारत की सनातन परंपरा आत्मा भारत के सनातन धर्म को गाली न दी हो। एनडीए गठबंधन का ये कैरेक्टर है कि वह भारत की आत्मा सनातन धर्म को गाली देते हैं। जो
All right, there of course you've heard what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has to say. My colleague Anand Singh joins on the broadcast this morning with further details. Anand, it seems that the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has taken yet another dig at the Congress.
Yeah, look, soon after Radhika Khera yesterday resigned from the primary post of the party and other posts he was holding in the party as National Media Coordinator, she mentioned in her resignation letter that how when she visited Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, she was targeted by a set of people in the Congress party in Chhattisgarh. She also mentioned that how the party workers over there misbehaved with her and even she was locked in a room. So these were the allegations that Radhika Khera made. And even before that, when Gaurav Vallabh had left the party from and resigned from all the posts of the party earlier, he has also mentioned that the Congress party not participating in the Ram Mandir consecration ceremony on January 22 earlier this year has hurt the feelings of several of the Ram Bhakts across the country. So now Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who has been vocal about raising the issues of Ram Temple, has said, taking a dig at the Congress party, that those who are Ram Bhakts, they are also Rashtra Bhakts. Or he also mentioned that this is not a new tradition in the Congress that such set of people are being targeted. And these comments only shows that they are insulting not only Ram Bhakts, but as well as our Sanatan country. And he also targeted the Congress and Samajwadi Party alliance in the state and said that they never let go of any opportunity to have India insulted across the world or abuse the Sanatan tradition of India. So, he further mentioned that India bloc partners try to do everything that would insult the majority of the country, and this conduct is condemnable. So, in this way, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who is also one of the firebrand leaders of the BJP and also one of the very vocal person in BJP who has been targeting the Congress on the issue of Sanatan and the Ram Mandir, because Congress has earlier not participated in the Ram Mandir consecration ceremony that was held on January 2 earlier this year, because Congress has accused the BJP saying that this temple ceremony is not a religious ceremony, but it's a political ceremony. And it was the reason why the party is not participating in this process.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.